Tractors are expensive, and repairs can hit hard financially. Even with regular maintenance, unexpected breakdowns can happen. Whether you own or lease, these costs will come out of pocket. Hi, my name is Zach. I am a driver recruiter with Anderson Trucking Service, and today I'll guide you through tractor warranties, meeting requirements, and when to consider extended coverage. You'll leave here fully informed and ready to handle warranty claims with confidence. As a semi-truck driver, you'll encounter various types of warranties that are important to understand. Factory warranties. These warranties are provided by the original equipment manufacturer of your truck's parts. Different manufacturers offer varying terms for coverage. It could, for instance, be 12 months or 100,000 miles. Otherwise, it could be 24 months and 250,000 miles, depending on where you bought your truck. Factory warranties often come at no extra cost with a new truck purchase, but you can choose to buy additional coverage. Federal emissions warranty. All vehicles, including trucks, come with a federal emissions warranty, lasting 100,000 miles or 60 months. This ensures compliance with federal emissions guidelines, but truck drivers may exhaust this coverage quickly. After treatment warranties. Semi-trucks have after treatment warranties covering the diesel exhaust fluid system and the engine, even after the basic warranty expires. These warranties can range from 250,000 miles to 500,000 miles, sometimes more. Used truck warranties. When purchasing or leasing a used truck, you might receive additional warranties. Some programs offer a bumper-to-bumper warranty covering repairs during the initial 30 days. The warranty from the previous owner may be transferred to you. So it's important to understand the coverage and terms when buying a used truck. Semi-truck extended warranties. You have the option to purchase aftermarket extended warranty coverage, often when buying used trucks. Truck parts and breakdowns can be expensive. While extended warranty coverage comes at a cost, it can be worthwhile if it helps cover major repairs. Before making any decisions without warranties, whether you're buying new, used, or leasing, it's essential to understand the coverage offered and the associated terms. This can save you money and provide you peace of mind when it comes to your semi-truck's maintenance and repairs. As a truck driver, understanding and navigating these warranties can save you from unexpected financial burdens and ensure smooth operations on the road. Learn how to avoid expensive breakdowns by following our breakdown prevention tips linked in the description below. All right guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more weekly trucking videos, and we'll see you in the next one.